Good morning, friends. I am Rajendra Jatana on this side. I am coming up with two topics. Number one, what is logarithm? And how many types of logarithm are there? Second one is logarithmic differentiation. Now, let us start with the first topic, what is logarithm? लॉगरिथम कुछ नहीं है, पुराने ज़माने का कंप्यूटर है. Long back, when computer was not invented, how the calculations were being done, it was only with the logarithmic tables. So, it is a computer of older times. Now, let us start with some examples. 125 you know is 5 raised to power 3. We can write this in terms of log. This is 5 is the base right here. Log base is written here. 5 raised to power 3 is 125. Now let us take another example. 343. This is 7 raised to power 3. So 7 is the base here, 3 is the exponent, and the answer is 343. So we can convert it in terms of log. So let us write it log 343, base is 7 and exponent is 3. देखिए ये 7 का लेटर बन जाता है, 7 का सिंबल है. 7 raised to power 3 is 343. Similarly, look here. What is 8 raised to power 3? It is 512. 8 raised to power 3 is 512. So you have to write it this way. So log base is 8, power is 3, answer is 512. So there are two types of logarithms. Common logarithm, natural logarithm. What is the difference? Here the base is 10, and in case of natural logarithm, base is e. So if we want to find the value of log base 10, 3, 4, 5, 6. अब आपने देखना है कि इसको डेसिमल में लिखेंगे तो इट विल बी लॉग बेस 10 3, 4, 5, 6.0. डेसिमल के लेफ्ट साइड पे कितने आदमी बैठे हैं? These are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer will be 3 point something. This 3 is called characteristic, and this we can find with the help of log tables. And this is called mantissa. So we shall be using the log tables to find the mantissa. Now in the case of natural logarithm, some rules are there. Now look here. First rule is product rule. Log m into n, base is e, since we are dealing with base e. So I am not writing it, it means there is a base e. Log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. Quotient rule. Log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. Third rule is power rule. M raised to power n. Power नीचे उतर जाएगी. It will become n log m. Log जो है बड़ों को नीचे उतार देता है, शनि ग्रह का काम करता है। चाहे तो चाय वाले को प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना दे, चाहे तो माने हुए प्रोफेसर और इकोनॉमिस्ट को कुर्सी से उतार दे। ये शनि ग्रह का काम करता है। सो log m रेज़ पर n, n नीचे उतर जाएगा, n log m। बेस चेंज फार्मूला, सपोजिंग बेस इज गिवन b, log of m base is b, we want to change it in terms of base e। फर्स्टली राइट log by log, बेस जो भी चाहिए यहाँ लिख दो, ई चाहिए यहाँ ई लिख दो, एम ऊपर है ऊपर लिख दो, बी नीचे है नीचे लिख दो। सो इट विल बिकम log m over log b, base will be e। We have changed the base from b to e। Now let us take this example, log a raised per b with respect to base a। बड़ों को नीचे उतार देगा, बेस b, this power will be b into log of a with respect to a, and this is 1, b into 1 is b। Look here, log of 1 is 0, e raised per 0 is 1, log of e with respect to base e is also 1, it is e raised to 1 is equal to e। Now let us go to the second topic, logarithmic differentiation। Here are my notes। Supposing the function is like this, y is equal to fx raised to power gx। Step 1, whenever function is in complex shape like this, बेस भी फंक्शन है पावर भी फंक्शन है, देन टेक log ऑफ बोथ साइड्स। log क्या करेगा, बड़ों को नीचे उतार देगा। सो log ऑफ y इज इक्वल टू log ऑफ fx रेज़ पर gx, gx नीचे उतर जाएगा, log ऑफ fx। Now we can take the derivative। Whenever you are taking the derivative of log, always say log fire 1 over fire। फिर फायर का भी डेरिवेटिव करना होता है, तो y का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा, dy by dx, log y 1 over y dy by dx। So this is the product rule, gx is there, log of fx there। So we shall apply the product rule, u into v shape, product rule is there। So we will shift y on this side, we will get dy by dx। So example is y is equal to x raised per x। First step is take log, it is logarithmic differentiation। पहले आपको log लेना है फिर differentiate करना है। इसका log लेंगे, x नीचे उतर जाएगा, it will become log of y, left side is log of y, right side will become x log x, x log x। Again we will apply the product rule, and log y 1 over y into dy by dx। From here we will be finding dy by dx, it will come x raised for x 1 plus log x। So this will be done like this। I hope you might have understood how to find the derivatives of logarithmic functions, that is function raised per function। So with the help of logarithm we can make it simple and find the differentiation। Thank you very much, hope you will be understanding what I am teaching, and I will try to make it as simple as possible। Thank you very much, God bless you, bye।